This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Python is installed and reachable. Open a terminal and run Python version so you know which runtime you'll use. Once done, open Pycharm and choose New Project. Pick an interpreter immediately, either an existing system interpreter or create a virtualenv for isolation. Make sure to name the project clearly and set its location. This first action prevents environment drift and lets you run code instantly without global dependency conflicts. You now organize files and configure execution. Create a SRC folder, add a main script, and put dependencies and requirements. TXT so collaborators reproduce the environment. Then open Run Configurations, create a new Python configuration, point to your script or module, and set working directory. This controls how Pycharm launches your code. Use the integrated terminal to pip install, and enable the debugger by placing breakpoints. This combination speeds iteration. You wrap up by running tests with the built-in test runner and fixing failing assertions. Once green, export dependencies with pip freeze requirements. TXT so environments match. If packaging, create a setup, CFG or pip reject. TOML and build a wheel. Alternatively, set up a Docker file and test the container. If something breaks, check the interpreter path and virtualenv activation first. Most issues stem from wrong interpreter or missing deps. Recreate the virtualenv, if needed, and rerun the configuration to confirm resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.